Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So that little intro was real juicy, so we're gonna get into it and talk about this wig from HerGivenHair. Now y'all already know when it comes to natural curly wigs, HerGivenHair is going to give you a complete vibe. So this is their 18-inch curly lace frontal wig. It looks super natural in this state. Now I did go ahead and wash the hair, so I have not defined the curls, nor have I detangled, nor have I did anything to the hairline. I wanted you guys to see exactly what this wig looks like after washing. Now I would highly suggest that you go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit to give it a natural look. Now this wig did come with a pre-bleached knots. It is on a Swiss transparent lace, and of course this is 100% human hair. However, the hairline did not come pre-plucked, which was a little disappointing because I don't feel like plucking the lace on this wig. But anyways, it's not going to take a whole lot because this wig is on the thicker side, so I don't want to be plucking for days. But I do want to pluck just a little bit behind the hairline to kind of get that thin look on the lace or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So the first thing that I do is go ahead and press out the roots on the wig, because you want to know exactly what you're working with before you just absolutely go in and go ham with the plucking. So this is what the hairline looks like. So honestly, you definitely could wear this wig just like this, but I would honestly go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit. I wouldn't do a whole lot, but I would thin out the hairline just a little bit. Now, one thing that I can appreciate about this wig is even though the texture is full, the density is not in the hairline. And I talk about this a lot because it definitely makes the wig look very wiggy if there is so much hair in the hairline, and then you also have to work like 10 times harder to thin out the hairline because there's so much hair. So even though this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, I can definitely appreciate the thin hairline. So as you guys can see, I did a little bit of plucking on the side, which I wasn't able to actually capture in this video. Unfortunately, I did not know that you guys couldn't see me plucking the hairline, but I'm gonna try to redo it right here. So basically what I'm gonna do here is take out a little bit of the hairline and just start plucking. And when you're plucking, make sure you are moving your tweezers. Do not pluck in the same area because then you're going to get a bald spot. Okay, and so here is just a quick side-by-side comparison of what the hairline looked like before I plucked and what it looks like now after I plucked. And so as you can see, it definitely makes a huge difference with how the hairline looks, of course. So next I'm going to go ahead and move on to defining the curls in this wig. Hey girl, okay, so now it is time to define the curls on this wig. Again, this is a natural curly wig and the texture is a 3B, 3C. Now, even though the texture is not super thick, I did want to go in and section off the hair first to define each strand. So to define each curl on this wig, I'm going to go in with, y'all already should know by now, some hair mousse. Girl, when I tell you hair mousse gonna give your curls the vibe, like it's going to take it there. Trust me. If you ain't a mousse girl, become a mousse girl, because girl, it's gonna take your curls where it needs to go. Do you hear me? So like, look how the brush is going through this texture, y'all. I'm telling y'all, mousse does wonders to curly hair. So what I'm doing is taking a paddle brush and I am just brushing through the hair, detangling the curls, and as you can see, the curls are super defined, super wavy, super bouncy. Like, girl, loving it. Okay, so I've been wearing my natural hair a lot like these last 2 months, and I love the extreme hold gel like on my hair and not on my ends. But I discovered one day by accidentally putting the gel on my ends, and girl, this gel stretches my curls so good. So I was like, let me try this on a wig, child. And y'all, when I tell you this gel stretches the curls, like, I don't even think y'all see how long elongated that section is that I have in my hand compared to the section that doesn't have gel. Like, look at that. Y'all, like, this gel is the truth. I see why everybody was going crazy over this gel. Look at that. Y'all have got to try this on your natural hair. If you're a natural girl and you have not tried extreme gel, try it, girl. I absolutely love it. So anyways, I'm just going to continue defining the curls with this gel because I just love how it makes my curls look and feel, and I love that it's still soft at the end of the day even though it's gel. Okay, girls, so now it's time to put the wig on. Now, I did not let the wig dry before I installed it because honestly, I didn't know if I was going to like redo my part, and I just did not want to disrupt the curls like once it's dry because then it could turn frizzy. Then you got to wet the hair all over again. You got to define each section again. So I was like, look, I'm not going to do all that. So let me just put the wig on while the curl pattern is still wet and just, see what I come up with. So anyways, of course, I am going to go in with some concealer just to clean up the part a little bit. Now, I did over bleach the knots just a little bit. Again, this wig did come with pre-bleached knots, but I did feel the need to go in and bleach just a little bit more for a couple of minutes. But girl, let me tell you something. I forgot to go back and check on the knots, and they over bleached like 1 or 2 minutes too much. So anyways, it was an easy fix. I'm not really pissed or complaining about it, but did want to let you know I did over bleach the knot. So anyways, I'm going to secure the wig down with, of course, the got to be glued spray in case you did not know, girl. Okay, y'all, this wig turned out really cute, and I am in love with these juicy curls. Like, let me slow the video down real quick so you girls can really get into how juicy and bouncy these curls are. Look at that. Yes, love it. When I tell you HerGivenHair never miss with their curly hair, they never miss. So yes, girl, this is going to be a curly texture I'm going to rock all week because it's so cute. I love this. And even though the hairline did not come pre-plucked, y'all, as you can see, honestly, I think it looks better like this, where it's not too thin like how I normally like my hairline to be. Y'all, I am just in love with this curly wig. And so right here, only thing I'm doing is taking some gel and just flattening the top of the wig a little bit more because of course I didn't want to go in with a hot comb and try to flatten this part. So the gel did exactly what I needed it to do, honey. So I'll make sure I have all the details below on this wig because it is a absolute must. Like, you must purchase this wig. So I'll have everything below, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.